Hi, I'm Lydia, and I'm excited to take you on a quick journey through Any today. Together, we'll explore how you can book rooms and desks on our unique 3D map and how you can connect with your coworkers interactively. Let's jump right in. We're going to look at our 3D map first, but before we do that, we select the location. And if you have multiple locations, you can sort of go ahead and choose one here. For me today, it's the HQ Cologne, and we are going to fly to the map. Here you can see the digital twin of your office, and you can navigate through the space by zooming in and sort of looking through what's available for me to book. Where are my colleagues today? Are they, in the home office and the remote work sort of space, or are they in the office? Where is the coffee machine? Where is sort of the lounge area? So you can go ahead and have a quick look around the space. What we can also, of course, do in this great map is we can go ahead and book our desk or meeting room, whatever your office offers. We can go ahead and book it here. I would love to sit next to my colleague Henry. So I sort of hover over Henry. I can see where he is booked in, and I can also see properties about Henry. For example, he's a first responder, he speaks multiple languages, and he loves coffee, which is great because I love coffee as well. And I would love to sit next to Henry on Wednesday next week. So I just click on the day and then click on a table, and I can see a few properties about this desk, such as it has a 4K display, it has power outlets, and the space I'm going to be sitting in has an air conditioner. If I'm happy with those properties and I want to go ahead and book this desk, then I just click on the plus, and voila, by seeing the confetti, I get a confirmation straight away that my space and my desk has been booked, which is super easy and super quick and super intuitive. I can go ahead and do the same thing for a meeting room. So if on next Thursday I know I have to schedule a meeting and I want to book a room for that, then I just go ahead and click on the day and again choose a meeting room that's available for me. I see again a few properties such as capacity, and it has a flip chart and a beamer, and I need those things for my meeting. So I'm super happy with my choice. I choose my time slot. I need to have it between 10 and 12, and I can even go ahead and add a title to my meeting. That's not mandatory, but it's a nice way of sort of seeing the reason for this booking. I go ahead and click on book now, and voila, again, super quick, super easy. My meeting room is booked for Thursday. So this map is very, very, cool in terms of it's interactive, it's transparent, it allows you to see your colleagues, to sort of interact and, search for different also skills and roles that you need to look for in case of an emergency, for example, or if you need to have a particular person that you need to talk to. And we can do that by clicking on this Find People symbol. Here we have a selection of finding different things, of filtering through different things, such as addresses, roles, and qualifications, etc. I can even go ahead and add people to my favorites list. So for example, if those are my team members and I want to have them appear first in the bookings and the selections, then I just put a heart behind them, and then they're sort of my favorites in this digital office space. And then as for Henry, for example, he is a first responder, and I quickly need to find a first responder in this search bar. Then I go ahead, click on the first responder. I see that Henry is one of those that I can rely on in case of an emergency, and I see where he is seated. And I can also click on this map symbol and fly to him in case this person sits on a different location or floor. Then we will be navigated to that person. This person will be highlighted for us in the map. So super, super practical if you need to find someone or a particular sort of category in a quick fashion. What else do we have here? We also have a list view, which is super cool in terms of booking the resources in a very quick fashion again. So if I don't feel like browsing through the map today and I just want to have a quick sort of my work week planned, then I use this list view. This list view is personalized by me. So I favored resources, again, so put a heart behind them, and then they appear in my list. So every user is going to have an individual view here. For example, this work week, I want to plan in 5 clicks all the resources that I need to book. So for Monday, I will be on the office. Tuesday, I'm already booked in the meeting room. Wednesday, I might do some remote work, and so on and so forth. And in 5 clicks, I have planned my entire week. If I want to cancel a booking, of course, I can do that in this view as well. I can just quickly press or click on the X and it will be canceled. But I can also go ahead and manage all my bookings in this booking overview and see the upcoming, the requested, or the finished bookings. And I can also see all the information I chose while booking, and I can, of course, go ahead and cancel my booking here as well. What else do we have here? We also have a home view. Super cool because the home view allows you to have all your favorites in sort of one glance. It shows your upcoming bookings. It shows all the groups of people, so all the communities that you belong to, and you can have sort of like a quick morning or day start with this view, which is super practical. And you can also do a check-in, a self-check-in here in case you have an issue with no-shows in your office. You can allow the option of a self-check-in for a booking. So in case a person does not appear in this room, for example, for the particular time and does not check in with the booking, then the slot will be opened again for others to book in. So that's that. These are the main features on the booking page. If you do have any questions and you would love to talk to us about your use cases and how you can use any for your workspace environment and your workspace management, then go ahead and talk to us, book a session with us, and we are gladly here to navigate you through any and your use cases, and we'll be happy to see you very soon. Have a great day, and thanks for listening. Bye-bye.